Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are replacing our factory head unit with a new head unit from Crutchfield. This is not a sponsored video, but I got everything from their website, and I totally recommend using their website because they offer everything you need plus more to make your life a lot easier. Alright guys, I totally recommend using Crutchfield because once you put in your vehicle information and after choosing your head unit, so I'm choosing this one, it comes with everything included, including the ready harness and as well as the dash kit to install it. So as you can see on your right side, this is a factory head unit. It comes with a replacement part of the whole kit and how to instructions on how to install it. So this is the end of the installation. As you can see, it looks really nice, really sleek with the whole dashboard. And we're playing around with the features, and it pretty much has everything. It has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so yeah, it has so many features. And just in case you guys are interested, it's the Boss BE7 ACP, and it has, oh my god, it's just a great head unit. If you have any questions, comment them below. I will try to get with you as soon as possible. So it was a hard process, but I hope this video helped you guys. No, it wasn't a how-to, but I tried to show as much as possible. And so yeah, I'm really satisfied with this build. Thank you guys, and please like and comment and subscribe. This will help us out a lot. So hope you enjoyed this video.